Gikundi kia Ayuthi na rietwa Meru Youth and Comrades Association baugite ni bamakitwe ni gikuũ kia sniper na batikumenya nandi uturo bwao bugakaratia. Baugite baingi bao baria bari na kiroto kia gutonya siasene ni bagukira kurita maoni jao ni onto batikumenya kiria kiumba kuthingatĩria nyumene. Mukiri Thika na Nteto Nkuruki.
Currently, at the point which the youths are studying, the environment is not safe for the youths to voice out and express themselves. Don't what will happen next to you. You don't know who is who. Unaona? So at the end of the day, what happens is we the youths, we are feeling we are limited to express ourselves.
Sniper ara mangestas na sniper na twekirite Uguaa like ile unyama alifanywa like mtu atena ritho atena roma ka atena nkunyo na kwe bato ya youth tore ya ira mantu yako ya bloggers kuke ya kwithira freedom of expression ni wacha space kire our county itukoria twithira twe protected ya youth kende ya bare ya ira nguwa ko blog bethira baina at least ibakorana bakanyana bakona something. And then another thing, encourage more youths to join Meru Youth and Comrades Association kenda tuomba kwaya out our grievances na tuomba kuendelea niamo na kurania na inyapo iko chances chia utongoria bukeya na bwakira twanya tu yaoni kwenda tega women rep na youth ba ntethia na ibo bankaria na ibo ban passport na ndenda sana tuthira tu no rumo ya youth na leaders beto ba county batukari sana kenda tuomba wa achieve something in as much as youth are concerned.
So far kuma kiama GIKUU tukomba kwa achieve nyomore mental health through our online platform, the CIACA talk. Tudhara tuna talks every Saturday. Tukomba kutakul manto na mental health on depression. Tuatakul manto na financial literacy on matters saving, budgeting, investment na digital entrepreneurship. Bado tukomba kutakul manto ja climate change on the best ways to help prevent global warming.
Tombero form kiama ki imbonete maendeleo sana on side of education itombete kwithia tukiura njira ira tombeki otethania ki bara mbeki kwithia na challenges cia kuthoma bara bakwenda attachment kintu ya itombete kwithira tukiuria bura tombeki akona tugethe itukuraniria nafasi utu ingo